Now beta, in question number 3, we have to add these integers. Here you see one is positive integer and another one is negative integer. So as we have done in examples, we have done, first of all we will take the absolute value of the integers, and when we are having different signs, we will take the difference of these integers. So we will find the difference, and in answer we will write the integers, the number with the sign having the greatest absolute value, that is positive. So we will write positive here, and whenever the number is positive, no need to put the sign. So this will be the answer. Now instead of taking all these absolute values, we can do like this also. Directly we can do the sums. So we will have 69 minus 49, and then we will get 18, and that will be our answer. So in next part we are having, so first of all we will take the absolute values. You can take absolute values in your mind also, and then you can solve the questions. Take the absolute value. Whenever they are having different signs, you will find the difference of those numbers. Minus 138 we will find 314, and in answer you will put the sign of the greatest absolute value. So minus 452 plus 138 will get minus 314. Or instead you can do like this also. Directly you can do, you just subtract these numbers whenever you are having different signs. In addition, you will subtract them, you will have the difference of them, that is 314, and now you will find the sign with greater number, that is minus. So in answer you will get the minus sign. So directly also you can, these are the same things. Here we have done it directly, and here we have taken the steps. Next one, minus 95 minus 35. Absolute value is 95 and 35, and whenever they are having the same signs, you can add them. So add these numbers. So in answer we can write like, first of all with absolute values, whenever you are having the same sign, you find the sum of those numbers, and in answer you will write the sign which these absolute values are having minus sign. So we will put the minus sign. Now again with another method, if you have, whenever you are having the same sign of the integers, then what you do, just add them and put the sign what the integers are having. So these are the same. Here we are finding the absolute value, here also we are adding the absolute values, and then we will find the answer. Now these are the numbers, and if we find the absolute values, then we are finding 6951 and 6952, but they are having the same different signs. So we will find the difference of these numbers. We subtract these number, we get 1. So we will write like, whenever we are having the different sign, we will subtract them, we get 1, and then sign of the greater number, that is minus. So these are the answers. 1001 and minus 101. If we find different sign, so simply subtract them, we get 900, and the greater sign is plus, so plus 900 will be the answer. Minus 381 and minus 619, here both the signs are same. So what you do, just add them, find the sum of these numbers. Find sum of these numbers 1000, and both are having negative sign, so we will put negative sign with it. So this is the answer. And next, now 3 numbers are there, so we will take 2 numbers first, and then we will find. We have to add these numbers. First of all, solve these 2 numbers. Here we are having one positive and one negative, so we find the difference of this number. 9 minus 6 is 3, 11 minus 8 is 3, and greater sign is of minus, so we put minus sign, plus. Now again we are having one minus and one plus sign, so we will find the difference again. And here we have greater sign with positive sign, so here we will write the positive, and this will be the answer of this solution. So like this you have to find the solution addition of 3 numbers. Now in H part also we have to find the addition of these numbers. First of all, write these numbers and take 2 numbers first. First of all, we are taking these numbers, one negative and one positive, so we find the difference. 158 minus 19 is 139, and the greater number is of positive sign, so put it as positive, plus 1 minus 103. Now again we are having plus and minus, so we find the difference of these numbers, subtract them, and here now greater number is of positive sign, so positive sign is there, and we get the answer of the question. Now minus 9005 and 360, add them. Again we are having one negative and one positive, so we find the difference here, subtract them, and greater number is of minus sign, so we put the sign of minus here. And next question, again 3 numbers are there. Add. First of all, take 2 numbers, they both are having same sign, so we will find the sum of these 2 numbers. First of all, we will find the sum of these 2 numbers. We get 100 with minus sign, because both are having minus sign, so we will put minus sign, plus 100. Now again they are having different signs, so we find the difference. 100 minus 100 is 0, and as you know, 0 is having no sign, neither positive nor negative, so this will be your answer, simply 0. And this completes the question number 3 of worksheet 3.